Back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your TikTok comments or any comments on any TikTok video, for some reason, are just not loading up. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never really one reason why this happens. But the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on a video that even had comments in the first place. Sometimes the comments can be turned off by that user, or maybe nobody commented on that video. If it's a video that nobody's seen or if it has 0 views, even if it has a couple hundred views like mine do, sometimes nobody comments on them because nobody cares. So sometimes they may not get comments. Other times, the user themselves who posted those videos, they may not actually allow comments on those either. So if you, for some reason, cannot see comments, those are some of the two first things I'd recommend thinking about. And then going on their profile, seeing if you can't see any comments there, then that's probably the first thing you need to see. Now, if that isn't the case, typically what happens in this specific situation is that TikTok, the application, can temporarily be down. So what this means is that whole entire application of TikTok, somehow if you're still able to get on it, sometimes you can't even get on the app, but sometimes if you are able to get on it, you may actually have to wait until TikTok themselves actually fixes this problem. So technically, they have servers on the background and everything. So if something in the back end goes wrong, they're going to have to pretty much fix it. So we as the users have to wait until they fix that problem. So I'd recommend going to the section of this video, comment section of this video, leaving a comment saying, hey, I have this problem, anybody else? And if people are commenting, then that probably means if a lot of people are on this video, that means that means the servers are down now. You can also make your way to Twitter, see if a lot of people are tweeting there, and then that will pretty much give you a good idea if TikTok is temporarily down. If for some reason it doesn't seem to be down, you may just have to update your application. So you can make your way over to your app store like this. You can search up TikTok right here. Just search up TikTok, go find the app, and you just want to update that application. Majority of the time, that's probably all you have to do, and you should be good to go. If that still doesn't fix it, then TikTok is probably down, and you're probably one of the first people to find it. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.